Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'll be showing you how to add pop-up text. If this is a video you want to use, you want to add pop-up text to, what you need to do is to click on text here. Then I'm going to click on text right away, then click on add text. Then you type in your text, enter text. Now I'm done typing. Now this is the template. This is template. I've typed the text. Now I want to format this. This is what the templates. These are the text templates. So select anyone how you want the text to appear. Let me use this and click on this tick sign. Now I'm going to move this text to the area where I want it. I'm moving it to the place where I want it to appear. I'm adjusting the position of the text. This is where I want this text to appear. So I'll play it to see if it's appearing where I want it to appear. Okay, I'll adjust it again. Let me play again. Okay. Now for the next text, I will also do the same thing. I'm typing my text. Now let me change the font size. I want to talk about templates again. The font type. Let me use this for the font type. Then the style, the font style. Let me use this color for the font style. Effects. Let me choose animation. So this is how I want it to appear. Now I'm also going to play to see if the text is appearing where I want it to appear. So I'm going to move it to this side. Position it right. Let me replay it. Sorry. Let me replay it again. Okay. Let me adjust this size so that it will not to play along with the video. So let me play. Now I'm going to add the next text. So let me format it to. Let me just move over to adding animation. Let me use this one this time around. Enable it to load. Then another thing I want to look at is the style. Okay, you can play around it. And let me adjust it so that it will align with the video. So let me play and see. And let me bring it down. This is where I want it to be. This is where it should appear. So this is just how to add text to your video. So let me play it from the video beginning to the end so that we can see what it looks like. It's just a simple guide on how to add pop-up text to your video. Leave a comment for us if you gained value from this video. Don't forget to follow us on Enviable Tutor. On YouTube is the 21st Century Educator.